Hello, welcome to the TalentLayer demo. TalentLayer is infrastructure for open labor markets. It's a protocol that includes all components necessary to facilitate inter-marketplace and peer-to-peer work arrangements, all end-to-end from job search to escrow. Think of it as one interoperable backend and liquidity pool for talent and jobs that many marketplaces and individuals can use. TalentLayer has a few main modules that can be used for building interoperable labor marketplaces and gig platforms, or that can be used by individuals to directly transact. First, the interoperable job and proposal system. Next, TalentLayer Escrow, which is highly configurable. Then, dispute resolution, which supports centralized and decentralized dispute resolution depending on the chain. And a lightweight identity and review system. Together, this protocol and the developer tools around it enable entrepreneurs to build marketplaces in a fraction of the time and users to custody their own reputation. All in all, everyone gets to enjoy more liquidity for jobs and workers, allowing more work to get done faster. So that's a lot of stuff. That's a lot of technical stuff. We have our contracts and documentation available for you to review. But we thought that to give you a better picture of what TalentLayer really is, we would show you some platforms that have integrated TalentLayer. So first of all, we're going to be sharing TalentLayer Indie. So this is a forkable demo code base that we have prepared to help products go to market faster. So basically, if you're trying to create a marketplace, you could either fork this or use it as a starter code base to be able to get rolling with TalentLayer. So Romain will be walking you through that in a moment. So without further ado, let's jump into Indie.
Hello, welcome to the small demonstration about our front-end TalentLayer Indie. For this record, I create a brand new wallet without anything. So let's say I want maybe to post a job. I'm an employer. So first step I need to do is to connect my wallet. This is it. Then I need to create my TalentLayer ID. Let's say Greg, for example. So here I mint my new NFT, Soulbound NFT. So we got some transaction in progress. We can click here and follow it on Etherscan. So not, but we are on Goerli on testnet for now, so it's a bit slow. So now I can post the job. So Web3 developer, I prepared an about, the keyword are Web3, DApp, and Solidity. And for that, let's say that permission is for 0.48, and I can now post my job. You can see here all the current opened jobs, and we can see here that the job posted by Greg today is here. I can see my description here, and there is no proposal yet. Let's switch account and maybe create a proposal. So I switch the account and now I'm connected as Boris. So Boris is a freelancer. Boris will now create a proposal for this jobs. Create a proposal. He can now post his proposal. So a new transaction will happen. And now my proposal have been sent to the graph and I can get all the information and so far from IPFS. And so now Greg can validate that or not. Now connecting as Greg is seeing the review proposal. He can here validate it or not. Greg can go directly on his dashboard, see the job he posted, and see here that he got a notification about this proposal. And here we have a summary of the different fees and rates. So the job is for 0.4. There is marketplace fees and there is platform fees at the end. You'll have to pay that. We are checking all the balances to be sure he got enough amounts. It's good. So now we can validate the proposal. So at this time, he will have to send the money to the escrow. So that's what the transaction is doing now. Transaction validated, and we can see on Goerli that there is 0.4 Ether send with the transaction. So perfect. Now we can come back here and we can see now that the job is confirmed and that Boris is the new responsible, the new freelance who will handle the jobs. So his proposal has been validated. Not that only the employer can see this part of the page. And so now is good. Let's say that some weeks happened and that Boris did the first part of the job. So Greg can come here, see the release payments and payment summary. So for now, all is still in the escrow. So just for this demo, we have a simple button to just release 50% of that, so 0.2. So let's do it. Here, the freelancer will receive this amount now. Okay, so the payment release has been done. So what we can do is to go back to the Boris account now. Now I can go back to my dashboard. So the dashboard presents the information about me, and I can see that there is last incomes of 0.2 if happened recently. So this is from the graph. I can click on it and see which job is linked to that. Let's go back to Greg here. So we see that Greg don't have yet complete his profile, so we can also do that and get some skills. So Web3, Solidity, DApp, stuff like that. And then update his profile. Here we go. Okay, and now I can go back to my dashboard, see my new title, skills, and yeah, I've got also a public profile page where I can find this kind of information in the jobs I posted. What we can do next is to say that the job's finished, and so we can go to the payment summary, see that we already released half of the parts, and now we release the last part. So the transaction now validated. So if I go back to the payment summary, I see that all the amounts, all the payment has been released from the escrow. So that's cool. And now the job is finished and I can create my review. So let's do it. So how the job went with Boris. I gave him like a rating on 4 and I can post now my review. This is it. The review has been posted. And now I can see here all the reviews linked to the jobs, the rating and the message. I can check the Find Talents page and now I see that Boris got one review with a rating of 4. Check my dashboard, so now I've got the second payment, second incomes that is here, all the information and jobs applied finished. This is the one.
So that is all we have for today. Thank you so much for tuning into our demo. And once again, check out our GitHub and website. Thanks so much. Bye bye.